guys, it's Sonny from Yiannimize and we're at the Performance Car Show. I've got my Aventador S, I've got my Urus here, they're both wrapped in chrome turquoise, and obviously they've both got the NERO body kit. This is our stand right here, and I said I would do signings Saturday and Sunday for everyone. So Elliot's going to film, I've got Mark filming, I've got everyone here trying to pick up pictures for you guys at home to show you what goes on at a car show. Behind me is the queue that has begun for me to start standing and signing, doing signatures. I've always told you guys I will stand and do it for you as long as I can. And today's one of those days. Let's see what happens. So, are we ready? Yeah!
I tell you, my mum loves you to bits, mate. Quite a shame, man. Hey, you're a man. You're a man.
Thank you. Sarah, how you doing, bro? It's Shani from Yiannimize. I hope you're well. I'm sending you a personal video. I heard you're a massive fan, yeah? So this guy told me. You got him to thank. Yeah, I'll see you later.
Get a picture. What's the next size up, Brandon?
No, this piece.
Yeah.
Over there, you see this guy? He's still working. He don't even he don't work nothing. He's still working. Alright, sure. Yes, Sam. Bro, look what I'm doing. How we doing? Juicy details in the film.
Normally I'm filming, but Mark's doing my job today. I'm gonna start rapping on Monday.
Overtime, you know, overtime.
So I'm in, what, 20 minutes in, the queue's not letting up. I said 2 hours, I could be here a bit longer, but I'll stay. I enjoy it, it's fun to be fair, and everyone's quite cool, so we'll keep going. How you doing? You well? I'm with Rish. I'm with Kev. Yeah. Where you going? 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 Well, you can't. I've got people walking through. Who are you with? Don't listen to him. Oh, hold on. I'm looking at the camera. Look over there.
I'm queuing up for Yanni. Want a picture with Yan?
Talk about brand everything. Look at this kid, look at this kid. Brand, everything. I keep telling you. See you later, be good. See you later. Take care, my pleasure, my pleasure. He's like a hardcore fan. What did you say to me? Are you going to be in one of my videos? Talk, God, you can talk, you're on one of the videos now.
I don't know what to say. Subscribe and post notifications on for Yiannimize. Yiannimize is the best YouTuber ever.
He's
he loves the best cars.
He's a hardcore fan. See this kid here? Show them how excited you were. Love this kid. Ledge. See you later. Be good.
So guys, I'm here with Yanni.
I'm good, man. So it's Yanni from Yiannimize. Why are you going to turn the other way?
You want me to film it? High quality.
High quality?
Yeah.
Is that true, Elliot?
Yeah, you
Yeah?
like that before.
High quality.
It is,
Yeah,
it is.
exactly. Get a camera. So go on, what's your name?
Sean.
Sean. So what's your YouTube channel called?
Babster.
Bachelor.
Huh? Babster.
Babster.
B-A-B-S-T-A-H. Subscribe.
Subscribe. So he's telling my camera, but it's Babster. Subscribe, YouTube channel. He's turned up. Guys, chip in. Let's get him a camera.
What car would you take at least?
Probably this one.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm going to have my car wrapped in that colour. I love it.
Which one would you take?
That one. That one. I like this one, but that's more convenient.
Oh man, the Aventador. People always show love. People, listen, I always say it, and I enjoy this so much. It is tiring, but you've got to enjoy it. You see people's faces, the kids. They get so happy, they get so excited. Please, there's the magic word coming in. He said, why don't I get a Lamborghini Centenario? I haven't got that sort of money. Can you buy me that car? It's millions, yeah, millions. Just turn up, the life coach, Xavier the life coach. Yeah, I'm sure he'll speak to you.
Life coach, not bodyguard. Not today. I'm too tired for that. Easy.
I love the Nick, I love it. We need one of them. Declan, big fan, said he enjoyed the rap job. Yeah. Becky or Thomas? Becky. See? You got it right, I did get it right. Check what you want me to decide.
If we're doing that,
What do you want me to decide?
I'll show you, please.
And listen, that's a proper shoe as well, yeah? That ain't no, that's not no rubbish shoe.
Yiannimize 95s.
Do you know what?
Send them tonight, get them.
Yiannimize 95, Yanni 95. Oh, you look like a little bit of a bruiser. I don't want to fight you. You look a bit of a bruiser. Are you hard? You are? He's got you, isn't he? You look like a bruiser. I ain't going to fight him. I like your t-shirt though. He's proper hard, isn't he? He's a proper little bruiser. Listen, Alfie, see you later. Be good, yeah? Be good. Don't bully no one. Alright? Hayden, I like your t-shirt. You like the Velar? Really? The P1, the McLaren, the Ferrari, the Lambo, the Velar? Really? Really? Alright then. Out of all the cars, he likes the Velar. I made it early, I felt bad. And that is it, they're the final people. I've done 2-hour signings and I'm going to go have a rest, even though people are still queuing, but I've got a rest. So